Megalosaurus was the dinosaur that started everything. This carnivore had been confusing people for over 400 years. So if you think about it like this, it's the 1600s in Oxfordshire in England, and a random person is walking around and finds a tooth the size of their thumb. And then someone else discovers a leg bone that is absolutely massive, and mysterious fragments keep turning up. Now for 2 centuries, these bones just sat around confusing people. Then, William Buckland, who was a professor at Oxford, decided to actually figure it out. With help from Georges Cuvier, they determined that these remains belonged to some kind of giant lizard that walked upright. In 1824, Buckland officially named it Megalosaurus bucklandi. That was the first dinosaur to ever get a scientific name. But here's the twist. The word dinosaur wouldn't actually be invented for another 18 years. Because Megalosaurus was the first dinosaur ever found, scientists spent decades throwing every new fossil discovery into the Megalosaurus pile. So if they found a new tooth, it must be Megalosaurus, another leg bone, must be Megalosaurus. Now modern science has cleaned this up. We know that there was probably only one species of Megalosaurus, and it wasn't actually even that massive. Victorian scientists thought it might be 20 metres long, almost the size of a tennis court. Richard Owen later estimated 9 metres. Today, we think it's closer to 6 metres, which is impressive but not gigantic by Jurassic standards. Megalosaurus lived about 168 to 165 million years ago during the Middle Jurassic period. As far as we know, the species was already extinct by the time other famous dinosaurs like Iguanodon came along.